Okay students, now we are going to see the logical instruction RAL. So in this instruction, the whole instruction itself is considered as opcode. So opcode is RAL. There is no operand for this instruction. Now what is the byte of this instruction? In this instruction, you can see that no data is present. Whenever in the instruction no data is present, that instruction will be considered as 1 byte instruction. Machine cycle we are going to see a bit later. Before that, let's see the meaning of this instruction. RAL means rotate accumulator left with carry. So let's see with one example. Suppose the example of this instruction is RAL itself. And before the execution, you can see that the content of accumulator is 55H. The content of carry flag is 0. Now the content of accumulator here shown is in hexadecimal. If you convert into binary, you can see this data. So the same accumulator is represented in the binary, or you can say bitwise. So when this instruction is executed, the content of accumulator will be shifted by 1 bit towards left side. I am repeating, the content of accumulator will be shifted by 1 bit toward left side. So let's see what happens when this instruction is executed. So RAL when executed, the bit which is present in D0 will be shifted to D1. The bit which is present in D1 will be shifted to D2. D2 will be shifted to D3, then D4, D5, D6 and D7. The bit which is present in the D7 will be shifted to the carry, and the whatever bit is present in the carry will be shifted to D0. Okay, so let's see what will be the value of accumulator when this instruction is executed. So all the bits are shifted by 1 bit. So let's see what will be the value in the D0. As you can see, the content of carry is shifted to D0. So in the D0 there will be 0. The value of the D0 is shifted to D1. So in the D1 there will be 1. In D2 the content of D1 is shifted to D2. So in D2 there will be 0. If you keep going, you will get some data like this. Can you tell me what will be the content of carry flag? If you see the value which is present in D7, it is transferred to carry. So in the carry flag, 0 will be present. If you convert this number into hexadecimal, you will get AAH. Now let's see the machine cycle. You know very well, to understand the machine cycle, you have to see the whole process for particular instruction. As you can see, this instruction is of 1 byte. It means when we give this instruction, it will be stored in the memory and it will occupy in only one memory location. So only one memory location will consume this instruction, that is RAL. After all instructions are stored in the memory, the processor will start doing its task, that is to fetch, decode and execute. To fetch the instruction, the processor will execute the first machine cycle, that is opcode fetch. Now when opcode fetch is done, this instruction will be transferred to the microprocessor. After that the processor will decode. After decoding, the processor will execute. Now if you pay attention, during the execution, what is happening, that the content of accumulator and the carry is changing, and carry and accumulator are both part of the microprocessor. It means during the execution, processor is not storing any data in the memory, or processor is not reading any data from the memory. So for this instruction, what will be the machine cycle? Only one machine cycle, that is the opcode fetch.